If the fourth, 10th and 16th term of a GP are x, y and z respectively, then prove that x, y, z are in GPR. Okay. Take care solution here. Fourth term is x here. T4 is equal to x here. 10th term is y. T10 is equal to y. And 16th term is z here. T16 is equal to z here. Okay. You know the formula nth term of a GP is Tn equal to AR raised to n minus 1 here. So T4 is A into R cube is equal to x. Take equation number 1. T10 is A R raised to 9 is equal to y. Take this one as equation number 2. And T16 here, A into R raised to 15 is equal to z. Take this one as equation number 3. Okay. So squaring equation to squaring equation to on both sides here. On both sides. Therefore, y square is equal to AR raised to 9 raised to 3. Squaring on both sides. And you know the laws of indices here. A into B whole raised to m is equal to A raised to m into B raised to m here. Then A raised to m raised to n is equal to A raised to m into n. So we are using that formula here. So y square is equal to A square here. So write A square. Then R is to 9 to the 18. Okay. So we are using both formulas here. A square here and R is to 9 raised to 2. 9 to the 18. R is to 18 here. Therefore y square here is equal to, again laws of indices formula, A raised to m into A raised to n is equal to A raised to m plus n. Therefore A square R raised to 18 is there. So you can write this one as AR cube. AR cube into AR raised to 15. Okay, because here A into A becomes what here? A square. R cube into R raised to 15. 3 plus 15 is 18 here, using this formula. Okay, 15 plus 3 18 and 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Therefore y square is equal to R cube is x here. So this is x. R raised to 15 is a z here. So it is a z here. Therefore y square is equal to x, that means x, y, z are in GPR. X, y, z are in GPR. Here y is a geometric mean between x and z here. Okay, hence y square equal to x, hence x, y, z are in GPR. So this is our required result here. Okay, find the sum to n terms of the sequence 8, 88, 888, 8888 and so on here. Okay, find the sum. Andre ಇವುಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Sum to n terms of the sequence. Take care solution here. So let us consider Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus up to n terms here. Up to n terms. Okay. Now you can take 8 common factor here. Okay, take here 8 common factor. Then here remaining is 1 here plus here remaining here 11 plus here remaining here 111 plus next 1111 plus up to swan up to n terms up to n terms here ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ದಿಂದನೂ 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಉಳಿತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಂದ್ರೆ 11 ಉಳಿತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಂದ್ರೆ 111 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಂದ್ರೆ 1111 ಉಳಿತಾ. ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Therefore this is equal to 8 into. So here in this case multiplying and dividing by 9 ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ one multiply 9 the other one is dividing by 9 multiplying and dividing by 9 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 plus dash 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 up to n terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈ 9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ here. Now take this 9 inside this bracket here. 8 upon 9 keep outside only. 8 upon 9 right outside here. 9 into 1 becomes 9 here. Then plus 9 into 11 99 plus 9 into 111 999 plus 9 into 1111 9999 plus and so on up to n terms here. Up to n terms. Up to n terms here. Therefore this is equal to 8 divided by 9 here into bracket. This 9 can be written as 10 minus 1 here. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. Then plus 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 here. Okay, 100 minus 1, 99. Next plus 999 means 1000 minus 1 here. 1000 minus 1 plus 9999 is 10,000 minus of 1 here. Then plus so on 2n terms here. 2n terms. 2n terms here. Therefore this is equal to 8 upon 9 here. 8 upon 9 into bracket. Write this 10 here. First write this 10, then plus. Then write 100. 100 can be written as 10 square here. Plus 100 as 10 square. 1000 as 10 cube agate. So it is a 10 cube plus 10,000 is a 10 raised to 4 here. 10 raised to 4 and so on here. Up to n terms here. Up to n terms. Next minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to n terms means minus of n here. Minus of n. Okay, just today minus 1 minus 1 ಇದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, minus 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 ಇದ್ರೆ minus 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 ಇದ್ರೆ minus 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, if 2 terms are there then it is a minus 2. If there are 3 times minus 1 then minus 3. 4 times minus 1 minus 4. Total there are n times minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to n times here. So I am writing here minus of n. Okay, minus n. Yes. Next these terms are in GP here. These terms are in GP. Here first term is 10 here. A is equal to 10. and a common ratio is the second divided by first term. 10 square by 10 is a, again it is a 10 only. Okay, therefore here 10 is a greater than 1 here. This value is greater than 1. So use the formula Sn equal to a r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is the formula. Yes, this is equal to 8 divided by 9 into bracket. So 10 into 10 raised to n minus of 1 divided by 10 minus of 1, and this minus and right as it is here, minus of n. Okay, total these are n terms here and they are in GP. As the first term is a 10, common ratio is the second term divided by first term, again it is gives a 10 here. So 10 is greater than 1. So you are applying here this formula. Okay, 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Here 10 minus 1 is 9 here. Therefore this is equal to 8 divided by 9 into bracket 10 into 10 raised to n minus of 1 divided by 9 minus of n. Okay, this is our answer here. Otherwise you can take 8 by 9 inside the bracket here. Yes sir, this is equal to 8 into 10 becomes 80 divided by 9 9s are 81 here into 10 raised to n minus 1, 10 raised to n minus of 1 minus 10 into this here, minus of 8n divided by 9. Okay, so this is a very important example here for the point of examination here. So this is a very important example and it carries a 3 marks here. Okay. Okay, find out the sum of the products of the corresponding terms of the sequences 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2 and 1 upon 2 here. Therefore required sum here. Required sum is equal to sum of product of the corresponding terms. So here is the one sequence here is the other sequence. Okay, so 2 into 128 here, 2 into 128, then plus 4 into 32, so 4 into 32, then plus here, then 8 into 8, so 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 here, so 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 upon 2 here, 32 into 1 divided by 2. Therefore this is equal to 2 into 128 here, 256 here, 256, 128 into 2, then plus 4 into 32, 128 here, then plus 8 into 8, 64, then plus 16 into 32 here, then plus 32 upon 2 becomes 16 here. So just observe here, they are in GPR. Okay, therefore here first term A is equal to 256 here, and a common ratio R is equal to 128 divided by 256 here. Therefore it gives 1 by 2 here, so it is less than 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of terms 5 here. Okay. Therefore you are using the formula Sn equal to A into 1 minus R into N divided by 1 minus R, because R is less than 1. Okay, use this formula. Yes, so this is equal to A value is 256 here into bracket 1 minus of 1 upon 2 raised to 5 bracket complete divided by 1 minus of 1 by 2. Okay, then this is equal to, so 256 write as it is here, 256 here into bracket 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 5 is 1 divided by 32 here. 2 raised to 5 is 32 and here 2 is the LCM. 2 is the LCM, 2 ones are 2 here minus of 1 here. Here sir 256 256 and 32 is the LCM here. 32 LCM, 32 ones are 32 minus of this 1 here, minus of 1 and 2 minus 1 becomes 1 here, so it is 1 divided by 2. Okay, 256 here, 32 LCM, 32 ones are 32 minus of 1 here, 2 minus 1 becomes 1 upon 2. Then 32 ones are 32 here, 8 is 256 here. Okay, so 32 ones are 32, 8 is 256. 32 minus 1 becomes 31. Yes sir, this is equal to 8 into 31 divided by 8 into 31 divided by 8 into 32 minus 1 is 31 and you can take 1 by 2 to numerator, it gives 2 by 1 here. 2 by 1. Take 1 by 2 to numerator, it becomes 2 by 1. Yes sir, this is equal to here 8 into 31 into 2 here. 2 ones are 2 here, 3 twos are 6. 8 into 62 here, 8 twos are 16, 8 6 are 48 plus 1 49 here. 496 here. Therefore, required sum is 496. Okay, so this is the answer here. Show that the product of the corresponding terms of the sequences A, AR, AR square and so on, AR is to n minus 1 and A, AR, AR square and so on, AR is to n minus 1 form a GP and find the common ratios. So there are two sequences. This is one sequence and this is other sequence here. Okay. Therefore, so product of corresponding terms of two sequences okay or take this part A, this term and this term A. It's a product A into A into E, comma. Net second term and here it's the second term here. So AR into capital A, capital R. Then the third term AR square, this term, third term AR square here. So AR square for here, AR square into capital AR square here, comma, and so on here. Then this is the last term A R raised to n minus 1 into this term here A R raised to n minus 1. So therefore, so that is A into A into A, R into R, A into A, R square into capital R square. So R r in whole square here. And solve. A into A, r is to n minus 1, r is to n minus 1 here. So r into r raised to n minus 1 here. Then obviously this is GP here. So therefore terms are in GP. Terms are in GP here. Now ನೋಡಿ terms ಏನಿದಾವೆ GP ಒಳಗಿದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AR square and so on r into n minus 1 ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು GP ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a into a r into r a into a r into r whole square and so on a into a r into capital R raised to n minus 1 this form is therefore the terms are in GP and a common ratio second term divided by first term here a into a r into r divided by a into a the term get cancels here r into r here this is a common ratio.